Today we are making authentic Jamaican sweet potato pudding, rich, moist, and full of island flavor. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Let's start it. So over here, I have 2 pounds of sweet potato, and I have ½ pound of yellow yam. First, I'm going to peel the potatoes then. You could also use a knife to peel the potatoes. Just go peel them and put them in some water while I get the rest of ingredients together. And I'm just going to list the ingredients as me go along. And when you're doing this, you don't want to use the American yam, okay? Whenever you go to the market to get sweet potato, you want to get the one look like this one. You don't want to get the one with the skin smooth. The one with the skin that's smooth, that's yam. That's the American yam. So you want to get the sweet potato. So when you go there, ask them to show you the difference from the yam and the sweet potato. And they will show it to you. Sometimes they have a label on them, which is the yam from the sweet potato, okay? So now I'm just going to continue to peel them. So now I finished to peel the potatoes. I put them straight in water so that they don't oxidize. Now I'm going to peel the yam. So to peel the yam, it's very easy. Just cut like here. This is a nice piece of yellow yam. Cut that. Just down the side. So now I'm going to rest the yellow yam in the water as well. Alright, just like that. Now that I peel the sweet potato and the yam, I'm going to break the coconut and grate it. So now I'm going to break the coconut, and I like to break my coconut over a bowl. So I just go like this. This is so nice, my people. Just go catch the coconut water. Alright. So when I'm digging out the coconut, I like to use a small knife where I could manage, okay? So I don't have to cut myself. So I just go like here and just take my time. It's easier to use a small knife, and you take your time and go around. So simple, nice and easy. You just continue. Just dig it out like this. That easy. Okay, so now I'm going to grate the coconut. And you have to be careful whenever you grate the coconut with the grater, because you could cut yourself. Also, if you don't have a grater or you do not like to use grater, you could also use a food processor blender. It come out the same, just the same. So you just take your time and rub the coconut on the grater, okay? Just like this. Okay, so this is it. I finished to grate all of the coconut now. So when you get down to the small piece, you have to take your time with the grater. You have to take your time, rub it on the grater, okay? So remember, you don't want to cut your fingers. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze out the milk from the coconut. But before I do that, I need 1 cup. I need a cup of the grated coconut before I do that. So this is 1 cup. I'm going to add this to the mixture. And now, just going to wash out this. So I just need to wash this off like this. Now I'm going to strain off the coconut milk. Remember, your hands have to clean, okay? So you want to squeeze out all of it like this. This is the coconut milk. So I don't need no more than this amount of coconut milk. So now I'm going to grate the potatoes. I have to cut them in two because they're too big for my hand. So I'm just going to grate it just like this. It's really easy to grate. See how fast I'm going? Now this is the last piece of sweet potato. Okay, this is it for the sweet potato. So now I'm going to grate the yam. And this is the Jamaican yellow yam, okay? The yellow yam easy to grate. This gonna combine everything together. Now I'm just gonna scrape it off like this. Easy. Okay, so now I'm going to grate the ginger inside of it, and I'm not going to use all of this. I only need half tablespoon, but I use a big piece so I could hold it to grate it, okay? And that is it. I don't need no more than that. This is all ginger in here, so I'm just going to get out some of it. But I should have enough in the mixture already. Going to combine these together. Now I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. So I need 1.5 cup of brown sugar. 1.5 cup. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Half tablespoon salt. Now I'm going to add the 1 cup of grated coconut I saved before. Now I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to set this aside. 1 cup coconut milk. 1 cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm going to add all of the dry ingredients to the potato and the yam and ginger. Now I'm going to mix them in together. I'm going to add my wet ingredients, liquor by liquor. And we don't want to mix it too much, okay? Smell nice like it bake already. So I'm just going to add the rest. Take my time and fold it in. I don't want to mix it too much. Now I finished to mix it. You don't want to mix it too much. Here I have my baking tin. I'm just going to grease it with butter. Now I'm just going to add the mixture. Okay, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it inside the oven for an hour and 30 minutes. That is it. Now I want to bring back some memories to you, you get me? See, if you never eat this, you're not a real Jamaican. You're one of the imitation Jamaican, you get me? So, I have some of the coconut trash leave over. I'm just going to add some brown sugar to it. Going to mix it up. Meanwhile, the pudding in the oven baking. I'm going to have this. Really good. Let me know if you ever eat coconut trash and sugar. Yeah, tell you, if you never eat this, you're not a real Jamaican. So let me know in the comment if you ever eat this. Okay, it is an hour and 15 minutes since the sweet potato pudding in the oven. Here I have some coconut milk left over. Just going to add half a cup of coconut milk to this bowl. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Half teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 pinch of nutmeg powder. 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. Just going to mix. This is what I'm going to base the sweet potato pudding with. I'm just going to take it out and brush it on it and put it back inside for 15 more minutes. So I'm just going to take it out now. I'm just going to base it like this. Yeah, it smells so good. Just like this. Okay, now I'm going to put it back inside the oven for 15 more minutes. See, after 15 minutes, Okay, it is around 30 minutes since the sweet potato pudding baking in the oven. Now I'm going to take it out. So this is how the sweet potato pudding look when I take it out of the oven. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down for 2 hours before I cut it. So see you in 2 hours time. Okay, so now the pudding cool, we're going to cut it together. Yeah man. Let's see what's going on. Okay, now I'm going to cut a slice. Nice and juicy. Look how beautiful this is. Nice and juicy. No dry pudding around here. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.